Hello guys, welcome back. Let me show you how to perform a hard reset on this device using the settings. First, open Settings, scroll down and choose Additional Settings, then scroll down again and select Backup and Reset. From the following options, choose Factory Data Reset. You can remove all content and settings for a full reset, or just erase app data. In my case, I'll perform the full reset, so let's remove all content. If you have a pattern, PIN, or password, draw your unlock pattern and tap OK to erase all data. Wait until the operation is complete. Do not interrupt the process. The hard reset is now done. You can start setting up your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a thumbs up under the video.